Hello everyone, my name is K. Reddy, working as Assistant Professor in Tikali Krishnaredi Engineering College. In this video, I will explain how to design single-phase half-controlled bridge converter in VISIO software. I will design in the circuit in VISIO software. First, I will explain what is VISIO, what are the advantages of VISIO software. Okay, this is VISIO software. In this VISIO software, we will design circuit diagrams like this. We will design, this is control circuits who are ready to publishing your papers, otherwise who are writing papers in your academic point of view, your research point of view. The software is very useful for drawing high resolution circuits like these closed loop circuits, these algorithms. Next, this circuit also, we will change colors also in this diagrams like this graphs. We will draw everything in VISIO software. This is very useful for writing textbooks and writing research papers, for preparing question papers. Now, in this video, I will explain how to design single-phase half-wave controlled bridge converter. I will start. First, I will click here. I used VISIO 2010 software. In VISIO, here more shapes. First, I will go to more shapes. In more shapes, engineering. In engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, process engineering, 3 engineering blocks is there. I will click here engineering. In engineering, first I will click here fundamental items. In fundamental items, I will take one resistor. The required elements for designing single phase half controlled bridge converter, I need one transformer and 2 thyristors and 2 diodes and 1 resistor R load. Now I will take transformer. We will go to more steps. In electrical engineering, I will go to transformers. I will take here transformer. I will drag it. This is transformer. Now I will design thyristor. Now we design new. Now I will copy this thyristor and paste. Now I will copy this thyristor symbol. I will paste here. Now I will reduce this thyristor size. This size thyristor also I will reduce. Will copy and paste. Now I will take 2 more symbols. I will delete this. Now I will connect thyristor and diode. Here also I will connect thyristor and diode. Now I will join. I will maximize this thyristor transformer. Now I will view connections. I will rotate this transfer resistor. I will connect thyristors to load resistor. Want to change line, connect here. Now I will select all. I will increase line thickness. I will write here supply voltage 230 volts, 50 Hz, AC supply. Now I will select this box. I will change here times remain. I will increase size also here 230 volt 50 Hz. Now I will write here load R is equal to example, for example, 100 ohms. I will select this one. I will increase line. Now I will write here T1 and T2. This is T1. This is T2. Thyristor T2. I will increase this T1. This is T2. Next diode D1. This is diode D1. Next I will write here diode D2. I will increase size D2. Now I will write here if you want give arrow mark, follow this one. Here also arrow mark. Now I will change thickness. Okay. If you want to give direction here, draw line here. Click here this line in the Q direction. Here also I will give current direction. I will select this one. Now I will give thickness. Okay, if you want to save this one, select here, Control C, and paste in Word document. Okay, this is the single case. If you want to draw lines here, We take two lines. Increase. Now I will select copy. We will paste here. We follow these simple steps and design circuits like this. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching this video.